Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily clean your iPhone 17 Pro charging port. So, at first I'd recommend to prepare yourself something like this. This is a Temu cleaner, bought on Temu actually, on something around $5, so as you can see, it's that cheap. Not expensive at all, so you can buy yourself this one. I do recommend actually the same thing like I do have here, and if we open that we can see there are some cleaners. I do recommend taking this brush over here and this isopropyl. Of course, I don't recommend to use the metallic materials, so don't use the metallic materials at all. Wooden, only plastic one. I do recommend only plastic one, or this brush right here. We can use this brush right here, and wait a moment, I had one thing here. If I find that, it will be nice. Here, don't use this kind of material. This is metal. Don't use that because you may damage your charging port. So remember that. It should be this one, but it's difficult to take. Okay, never mind. We have these two tools and isopropyl alcohol. So, at first, what I do recommend is to take this brush over here, take your alcohol, and spray it here. Now we have just idle it over here, and now if we take off the case, we can actually brush our charging port. We have to do this carefully to not damage it, without any force actually. As you can see, it's inside. And now we should see dirt on this brush, and it means that we get this dirt from our charging port. As you can see here, we have this brush, and we can brush the edges of our charging port using this brush. And actually, that's it. Charging port doesn't need any further things to clean. And just remember to not clean your charging port using the metal materials or wooden materials, because it may damage your charging port. And actually that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.